So as 2025/2026 is concerned, the fastest way and the easiest way to make money online right now is by clipping content with WHOP. So what is WHOP? WHOP is a content website which actually connects you with brands that actually needs you to clip their content or make videos about their brand or their product or anything related to them that they want to promote. And bear in mind, these brands pay much more than TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube all combined. Some of the brands pays from $10 to $50 for for 1,000 views. You're getting to them. So here's the hack. If you can make videos like make UGC videos promoting their brands, you will go with the clipping. So it's much more easier and way more easier to make money. Why? Because these people will be clipping. Most of the people that offers clipping campaigns are people that are already gone viral, like live streamers, all those big people. So posting their content will actually make you go viral. Why? Because they have already gone viral on social media. So we are not the one building them up to go viral. So we are just made to like just get a good cut clip of their content or their live stream that will actually go viral. So you put your money. So MC, you join a campaign I spend like $3 per 1,000 views. You just need only 100,000 views to make $300, and that is very, very easy. So you may be asking, how do I clip those contents? Because I know many of you go into clipping because not everybody can make YouTube videos that like I'm doing right now. So how do you clip contents? In most of this campaign, the owner of the campaign actually gives a YouTube channel for the creator you'll be clipping. You understand? Or a link to their past live streams. So what you'll be doing, you watch the video over and over again and kick out the best moments out of those videos. Yes, you kick out the best moments out of those videos and make a good edit on it according to the requirements of the campaign. So you make a good edit on it. Just clip it. At least most of this campaign right there just requires a clip of 10 seconds, and these clips are actually going to go viral. So you do it. You can post on YouTube, you can post on TikTok, you can post on Instagram. So if you have followers, you can go with it. And also if you don't have followers, you can go like you just choose going with YouTube because YouTube is easier to get views. And also I got like a deal for you guys. So if any one of you have a TikTok account, an Instagram account, or a YouTube channel that is getting like 10k to 100k views on average, just comment in the comment section. Like just comment I'm in the comment section. So we need to work together. I want to be a team of this, you understand? So let's get back to what I'm saying. So you just clip this content and post either on TikTok, on Instagram, on YouTube, and you get your views, you get your money instantly. So the payment, setting up the payment is not actually it's actually hard. So if you need help in setting the payment, just comment help in the comments. So I will make a next video explaining how I set up my own payment. One thing also that you actually need to bear in mind is, who are you targeting? Who's the campaign targeting? Is it the Taiwan audience? Which age? That's what your key point. That's the key point. Understand? So you know the best time to post a video and everything, so that the video will definitely go viral. So in this era right now, 2025/2026, your content is actually cost your money directly. But if you can actually make content that go viral, you can actually refine a viral content into real cash. And also when clipping videos on WHOP, make sure you clip or you select the category of the newest clipping campaigns. So if you go and start clipping old campaigns that no one is there, like that have been left, you understand, you waste your time for nothing. The earnings, everything will not be paid out to you. So make sure you check out the newest campaigns so you get paid out your hard work. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to click the like button, subscribe to this channel, and click the notification bell so that anytime I upload a video like this, you'll be the first to come to it. So see you in the next one.